Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Elementor menu. Make a small vertical jump. First go down and then goes up. On page reload in Elementor WordPress. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then refresh the page. Now you see goes down and up. So this is a menu shifting on vertical position. So we are going to fix it. Now you see edit with Elementor. So open header again. So you can fix it by using custom CSS or you can set minimum height. So we are in Elementor header and then you see this is our header, logo and menu. Now you see main container. So click on it. So we are in layout, edit container and then you see minimum height. So you can set minimum height according to requirement. So now we are going to set 50px and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. Now you don't see any menu shifting on vertical position. Now back to header again. So you can set 100 and then click on publish again. Now publish done. Go to Elementor page again and refresh the page. And then you see no vertical shifting because our minimum height is 100px. So you can set minimum height according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.